Due to its numerous advantages and relatively low entrance barrier, many people are interested in making money online. The majority of online passive income generation techniques are merely a computer or other digital device, as well as reliable internet connection. You can conduct business using these techniques from any location and on your own terms. You can make money from the convenience of your home or while touring the globe. Passive income is a terrific way to make money without having to work hard for it. You can profit from it even if you haven't put much effort into it. Since the beginning of the internet, there have been numerous ways to generate passive income. The following are 8 simple ways to generate money while relaxing. 1. Cloud mining. More people are showing interest in mining cryptocurrencies as the market for them expands. On the other hand, conventional mining methods can be expensive and time-consuming. In this situation, cloud mining becomes crucial. Cryptocurrency can be mined using cloud mining. It eliminates the need for expensive equipment to be purchased and maintained. Happy Miner distinguishes out as being pretty significant among the several cloud mining websites accessible. Since its founding in 2018, Happy Miner has earned the trust of more than 2,800,000 customers by being one of the pioneering and leading companies to provide the best cloud mining services. One of Happy Miner's many exceptional characteristics is how simple it is to use. There is no need to ever download or install any software in order to utilize it. Since Happy Miner has no initial setup or ongoing maintenance costs, it is frequently referred to as free Bitcoin mining software. With Happy Miner, you may also mine a variety of different cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Dashcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Filecoin, and many more. Users can thus select the coin that best suits their requirements and mining objectives. The transparency of Happy Miner's website is one of its main advantages. Users can monitor the amount of cash they have mined and how little they have spent on fees, as well as their mining progress. This level of openness is essential in cloud mining, where dependability and confidence are key components. 2. NFT Pro X. By combining cloud mining with NFT investment in an innovative way, NFT Pro X offers customers a dependable, effective, and profitable option to participate in the blockchain industry. NFT Pro X offers consumers a selection of investment choices to fit their unique investment needs and goals by providing cloud mining and NFT investment packages. Because of NFT Prox's advanced contract-based investment architecture, which guarantees the confidentiality and transparency of all transactions, users can invest with confidence. Users can benefit from both the daily earnings from their cloud mining investments and the value of their NFT investments when they sell them by using NFT Pro X. NFT Pro X customers can start mining cryptocurrencies for daily returns based on their selected portfolio for as little as $10. From a one-day investment package that pays 10% per day to a 64-day investment package that pays 2.1% per day, NFT Pro X offers a variety of investment packages to meet different investing needs and ambitions. 3. Affiliate marketing. Online marketing, called affiliate marketing, allows you to advertise other people's items and get paid a commission for each sale you make. Affiliate links, which are unique links that track clicks and transactions, are how it operates. When a customer purchases something using your affiliate link, you get paid. Locate a product or service you want to advertise before you can begin affiliate marketing. This could be anything from real goods like apparel or electronics to digital goods like e-books or software. You must join the product's affiliate program once you found it. Most businesses provide a free affiliate program that you can join. Once your application has been accepted, a special affiliate link will be provided for you to use when advertising the product. There are numerous strategies for promoting affiliate goods. One popular technique is to start a website or blog and post product reviews or relevant informational pieces. After that, you can incorporate your affiliate link into the text or a website banner. Social media is a further tool for affiliate product promotion. To entice your followers to buy something, you can share your affiliate link with them. In general, using affiliate marketing to generate passive money online is a smart idea. It's a low-risk, low-cost method to launch an online business, and if done properly, it can be quite profitable. 4. Write a book. It's simpler than you might think to create a book, whether your burning desire is to pen the next great American novel or simply to have an idea for an e-book that will instruct someone in a certain skill. The era of literary agents and publishers is over. With the help of websites like Barnes & Noble Press, a free service that allows you to sell print or ebooks to millions of readers, Blurb, which helps you create, print, and sell professional quality photo books, and Lulu, a print-on-demand platform with free tools to help create, publish, and sell your story. Self-publishing has become both simple and lucrative in recent years. 5. Offer freelance services. Whatever expertise you possess, there are countless opportunities to work as a freelancer, including writing, editing, graphic design, coding, digital marketing, and administrative tasks. But how can we spread the word? Through a variety of websites, you may easily deliver services to customers worldwide to expand your brand and your goals. These websites give users the freedom and flexibility to locate freelance work from anywhere in the world. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and Working Not Working are some of the top online talent solutions for connecting companies with freelancers. 6. Drop shipping. With the help of the drop shipping business concept, you may sell goods online without having to stock them yourself. Instead, you locate a supplier who is willing to take care of the inventory, packaging, and delivery of goods to your clients. The products are subsequently advertised and marked up for sale on your website. When a consumer purchases something from your store, you give your supplier the order, who completes it and sends the item right to the customer. The difference in price between what you charge the consumer and what your supplier charges you is your profit. The fact that you don't have to keep inventory is one of the main benefits of drop shipping, as it can help you save money and time. Furthermore, you are absolved of the responsibility for conducting the cumbersome shipping and handling procedure. As an alternative, concentrate on establishing your brand and increasing visitors to your online business. 7. Create and sell an app. Using a service like AppyPie, which enables anybody to create applications, websites, chatbots, and more on any internet-connected device, you may design your own apps if you have a fantastic idea for one without needing to employ a programmer or agency. When the app is complete, you can sell it on Play Store or the App Store. If the software is successful, it might be a very profitable way to generate passive revenue. 8. Online courses. Making an online course is an excellent approach to turn your expertise into a source of passive revenue. You can design a course and sell it on websites like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera if you have knowledge in a specific field or area of expertise. The course you produce becomes a valuable asset that can someday help you make money. Online courses have a remarkable potential to produce income even if no new material or updates are made to them for many years. If your course is useful and interesting to your students, it can provide a steady source of passive money. Additionally, developing online courses enables you to impart your information and skills to others, assisting them in learning and progressing in their own endeavors.